So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a Google map to your phone, to your project. First, you open your Google map, you go to your search bar in the Google map, search for the location you want to add. When it pops out the location, you click on share, and then you click on embed a map. Then you copy the HTML link just like I am demonstrating it in this video. Now when you copy the link, you can toggle between the small, the medium, the large, or the custom map sizes. So when you do that, you copy the link, you go to your HTML, and then you paste the link there. If you're also styling, you can add your CSS values and properties. So when you're done, go to your browser and refresh, and your map will appear just like that. So adding a Google map to your project isn't hard. It's just a simple thing to do.